Hello everyone and welcome back to Green Enchantment Insights. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of lavender, a versatile herb that not only graces our garden with its vibrant hue but also offers a myriad of incredible benefits for our well-being. So whether you're a fan of its calming fragrance or curious about its therapeutic properties, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of lavender, backed by both traditional wisdom and scientific research. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on a fragrance journey into the many reasons why lavender is celebrated for its remarkable contributions to our health and happiness. Here are some potential benefits of lavender oil. 1. Relaxation and stress relief. Lavender oil is well known for its calming and soothing properties. Inhaling the aroma of lavender oil or using it in aromatherapy can help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation. It is often used in diffusers or added to bath water to create a calming atmosphere. 2. Sleep aid. The calming effect of lavender oil makes it a popular choice for promoting better sleep. Adding a few drops to a diffuser in the bedroom or applying dilute lavender oil to the pillow may help improve quality of sleep. 3. Pain relief. Lavender oil has pain-relieving properties. It can be applied topically either in carrier oil or in cream to help alleviate muscle aches, joint pains, or headaches. However, it is important to dilute it properly before applying it to the skin. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, it may help reduce inflammation and soothe skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis. 5. Antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. Lavender oil has natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It may help in preventing infections and promoting wound healing when applied topically. It can also be used in cleaning products for its antibacterial properties. 6. Respiratory benefits. Inhaling lavender oil vapor may provide relief from respiratory issues such as cold, allergies, and asthma. It can be used in steam inhalation or added to a diffuser to help open airwaves and ease breathing. 7. Mood enhancement. The pleasant aroma of lavender oil is believed to have mood-enhancing effects. It can lift the spirits and create a positive atmosphere. This makes it a popular choice in aromatherapy and as an ingredient in various personal care products. 8. Headache relief. Lavender oil may be effective in relieving headaches and migraines. Applying a diluted solution to the temples or inhaling the aroma may help ease tension and reduce headaches. 9. Skin care. Lavender oil is often used in skincare products due to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. It may help soothe and nourish the skin, reducing redness and irritation. 10. Insect repellent. Lavender oil has natural insect repelling properties. It can be used to deter mosquitoes and other insects. Mixing it with a carrier oil and applying it to your exposed skin may provide some protection. While lavender oil has many potential benefits, it's essential to use it with caution. Always dilute it before applying to the skin, and if you have specific health concerns or conditions, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using essential oils. As we wrap up our exploration of lavender's incredible benefits, I hope this video has shed light on the numerous ways this aromatic herb can enhance our lives. From promoting relaxation and improving sleep, to offering relief from headaches and supporting skin health, lavender truly stands out as a natural powerhouse. Don't forget to incorporate a bit of lavender into your daily routine, whether it's through essential oils, skincare products, or even a stroll through a lavender field. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the benefits of lavender, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing for more content on wellness and natural remedies. Thank you for joining us on this fragrant journey, and until next time, be well and embrace the beauty of nature's remedy. See you in the next video.